I keep forgetting that part.
All right, it's now recording. You should see the red dot in the top corner.
I do. Hello, everybody. We are going to work on making a placemat that you can use at your table. You can use it at all your meals, or you can use it for Thanksgiving. To make this, we are going to need our red sheet of paper, our words. I've got mine all cut out. I show that we sent you 9. And then you're going to need the plate circle. It says plate on it. The cup circle. The spoon. The knife. And your fork. And then the last thing you're going to need is your glue stick. So we're going to take our placemat. I'm going to get this, hopefully you can see that. I need my hands. And so I'm going to do it like this. And you're going to find the large, we're talking about shapes today. What shape is this? Is this A circle, or B, a square? And yes, I see my friends are all telling me that this is a circle, and you're right, our plate is a circle. So we're going to put glue on the back of our plate. And I know you can't see me do this. I'm going to show you the purple. I've got glue all the way around with my glue stick. And now I'm going to put it at the bottom center of my, I'll stand up here a little bit. Maybe that'll make it easier for you to see. Going to glue it at the bottom center of my placemat. And this is where I'm going to set my plate.
Miss Connie, I would back up.
I need to back up more. Whoops, now my tape come undone. Okay. Hopefully you can see that better now. There's my plate. All right, now does anybody know what goes on the left side of our plate? Is it our spoon, A, our knife, B, or our fork, F? What goes on the left side of our plate? Okay, I guess I need to make, that's a hard question because it depends on which way you're looking at the placemat. Sorry. So if the placemat's in front of me and I'm looking at my plate, what piece of silverware goes on my left-hand side? And I wish I could remember the poem, and I can only remember part of it. Is it A, the spoon, B, the knife, or C, the fork? This is interesting because I'm getting mixed messages from my friends. Ashley, do you remember the poem about the knife and spoon do something and the fork left?
I have never heard of the poem, but I'm Googling it right now.
Okay. Well, the reason why that poem is important is because the fork goes on the left side. So when I'm looking at the plate, the fork is on my left. So I'm going to put glue on the back of my fork.
Miss Connie, was this your poem? Hey diddle diddle, the plate is in the middle, the cow jumped over the moon, the fork is on the left, the knife is on the right, on the inside of the spoon.
No, but that works. Now I'm going to have to go look that up and tell you, my friends, tomorrow.
I'm still looking.
So you got to remember when you're looking at my placemat, it's backwards from what you're looking at in front of you. So again, make sure the plate is facing you and you want your fork on your left-hand side of your plate. And now my glue isn't working. There we go. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my knife and put glue on it. And I just realized something. So my knife goes next to my plate on the other side. Normally we would make the sharp side of the knife face the plate. If I do that, then you can't see knife. So I'm just going to put my knife here. So it goes fork, plate, knife. And then if I'm going too fast, let me know. We're going to take and find our spoon and put glue on the back of it. And put our spoon right next to our knife. So we have fork, plate, knife, and spoon.
Miss Connie, I found a poem about silverware, and I'm not sure if this is the one you're thinking. It said, the silverware had a fight, the knife and spoon were right, so the fork left.
That's the one.
Okay.
There's another tip that left and fork each have 4 letters. So the fork goes on the left, and right, knife, and spoon each have 5 letters. So they all go on the right.
See, lots of neat tricks. That poem that Miss Kasha left is something our teachers taught us back when I was much, much younger.
I just realized I've had it wrong all these years, Miss Connie.
See, even adults can learn new things. That's right. Okay, then we're going to take our cup. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, different people do different things with the cup, but it's usually put here. And the reason why they do that is because most people are right-handed. My mother's not, my granddaughter's not, but most people are right-handed. And so by putting the cup here, you're not crossing your plate to grab your cup. So if I turn this the right way in front of me, I would be reaching for my cup like this. So I'm not crossing in front of my plate to get my cup. So your cup is going to go in your upper right-hand corner.
AJ, nice job. I saw it. Very good work.
Thank you.
Amir, good work.
I can't see him. There we go. Now I've got my fork, my plate, my knife, my spoon, and my cup on. Now what I need to work on are my words. And I owe everyone an apology because I'm the one that made these words. And I realized today that I forgot to give you the word I and the word want. So I'm going to sit back down. I'm going to tip my camera back down. Let's pull this back up a little bit. Your words are also larger than mine because of my computer and printer aren't cooperating today. So we're going to find the word eat as the person with the spoon of food in their hand. I'm going to put glue on the back and stick it up here in this left-hand corner. And we're going to put words down the side of our placemat. So I'm going to put eat. And then next to eat, we're going to put the word drink. And that's the picture of the person with the glass in their hand. And then we're going to find the picture of the empty glass for all gone. And put that right under the word eat. And then we're going to find the word more. This is our little blocks with an arrow, more.
Bless you, Miss Ashley.
Thank you. I'm having a sneezing attack.
And then we're going to use the word yes, which is the happy smile face. Put it under all gone. You're going to have to put your words closer because yours are bigger than mine. And then you're going to find the word no. And put it under more. Lost my glue stick. Then we're going to find the word please. It's kind of got their hands up, please. Put that under yes. And then we're going to find thank you. Put it under no. And then we're going to put on the word finished. And since we forgot the words I and want, if you want, you could make a square on your board. And on that square, put the word I, and then do a stick person pointing at themselves. There's my I. This is what it looks like, but I just drew it on. And then the other word that would be really helpful to have is the word want. And again, this is a stick person reaching for a block.
Miss Connie, if they didn't want to draw that on there, we sent core boards home and they could cut the pictures out of the paper core boards, and we can send new core boards home for December.
We sure could. So the I is yellow on the core boards we sent home in the upper corner, and then wants in the same row and it's green. And you could glue them on. And then to use this, if my drink is all gone, I could say, I want more drink. Or if someone asked me if I would like some gravy, I could say, no, thank you. You might say, yes, please. Miss Connie doesn't like gravy, so she would say, no, thank you. But you can use this to let people know if you want something or if they ask you to answer them. But remember your manners and use please and thank you. And then when you're all done, you can say, I finished. Now you have a placemat that you can use at home. You can use it for Thanksgiving. Miss Ashley, do you think we need to practice saying anything else?
No, I think that's good.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed making your placemat. Now, you had 2 of the red sheets come home. So if you want, you could make another one using the words from the core board. Or you could decorate one now and give it to your sister, brother, or mom or dad.
Looks like AJ's already using his.
I've got to see where I can see.
He's
Mr.
got a plate full of food.
Awesome. Oh, yes, he sure does. And Omir, you had all the pieces to this sent to you in that packet. So if you would like to make it, you can. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed making the placemat with us.
Miss Connie, Omir's showing you that he made a placemat.
Oh,
He
he
made
did.
a placemat. Yes, he did.
Great job, Omir.
Oh, yeah. He made that with us. Excellent. So now you can use that as a pattern if you want to make another one, Omir, because you have a red one in your packet. Excellent. Thank you. All right, my friends, that is it for today. I hope that we will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock. No, give me a minute. We don't want to do December yet. Let's not rush the time away. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock, we're going to talk about where does it go and decide where we need to store things. And then we have Tiger Zoom News at 10:30 with Miss Amy and Mr. Clark. And then we're doing another special Thanksgiving activity with you tomorrow that you can do with your family. So I hope to see you tomorrow at 11:30 again. Have a great day and we'll see our friends tomorrow.
Bye, Omir. Bye, AJ. Bye, Jackie. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys.
Bye.